So why can you not hear anything on your iPhone? Let me talk about it and explain it, possibly fix it, and let's get into it. If you're new, subscribe so we can get started. So there might be more reasons why you're not able to hear stuff like music, video, or any type of audio from your phone. First of all, obviously go to the control center and adjust the volume. It may not be enough to adjust it with the volume buttons because those might be set to change the ringtone volume and not the content volume. So you should always go to the control center and make sure that this volume is the one that you control. Outside of that, you can also pay attention to the AirPlay toggle right here because it is possible that your sound is not channeled to the built-in speakers of the iPhone, but instead it might be going to the Apple TV or HomePod, AirPods, or even other devices like some third-party Bluetooth speaker or whatever else, and therefore the sound isn't coming out of the iPhone, but instead of that other device. So what you could also do is literally just click on the Bluetooth and disable it completely so you can make sure that it's not connected to any third-party device. What I would do then is that I would check out some different audio source. For example, if I'm playing music through Apple Music, it might happen that there is a glitch or a bug specifically in that app. So I would go, for example, to the YouTube app and play something there to make sure that I'm actually switching the source to see where the problem is. And usually if the problem is in the software, it gets resolved. And if not, you can still update your entire iPhone to the latest iOS, and those kind of bugs and glitches can also be fixed with a software update. If on the other hand you have a different problem that you can hear the sound coming out of the speaker but you feel like it's too quiet that you can barely hear it, you should also pay attention to the settings where you can head over to the sounds and haptics and make sure that you don't have any reducing of volume in place. So for example, for the built-in speaker, we have the volume limit, and you can limit the maximum volume. Obviously, you can make it go down to as low as 20%, which is really not that much, and you might feel that this is causing the issue, so pay attention to this. You can as well reduce loud sounds and as well do the same stuff for the headphones. You can also reduce loud audio in the headphones. But outside of that, I believe that it should work, and if not, then it could be the case that the fault is in the physical speakers of the device. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you managed to fix it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.